I'm pleased to say that supporting.
Your Excellency, the Ambassador of the Government of Japan to Fiji, Mr. Kawakami Fumihiro, and members of your esteemed delegation, the representative from our board of visitors of the Golden Age Home in Lautoka, Director Social Welfare, staff of the Ministry, and media partners. It's a very important occasion for us today, not only as a ministry, but in particular as a nation that is, like any other nation, struggling to close the gaps between the vulnerable and the not so vulnerable in our concerted effort for inclusion. And on behalf of the government of Fiji, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank the government of Japan for this very timely assistance to the Golden Age Home in Lautoka. I know that the relationship between the government of Japan and the Golden Age Home of Lautoka is a long-standing one. And this is just another step in that direction. Your efforts, your generosity in ensuring that the least of us are not left behind in our national development. The agreement that we have signed today will ensure that the 47 residents of the Golden Age Home in Lautoka enjoy a retrofitted bus, a bus that actually is aware, is concerned about the circumstances that they have, the physical circumstances, the emotional well-being, and their welfare. And in the quest to leave no Fijian behind, the project assistance also addresses the national aging policy goals of promoting an inclusive, protective, healthy aging and the provision of enabling environments for older persons. I wish to also acknowledge the Board of Visitors for the Golden Age Home Lautoka for being instrumental in the groundwork of securing this grant. It is only through strengthened and potential collaboration that we can make a difference in the lives of those who are mandated to serve. Again, I reiterate government's gratitude, and we assure you that we will comply to the accountability and transparency aspects accordingly. And I'd also like to take this opportunity to thank the government of Japan for the assistance that you continue to do, not only for my ministry, but the other ministries of government. And in relation to our ministry, in the projects that you fund for inclusivity, I'd like to make special mention of the REACH project, which the government of Japan assisted us in kicking off. That project has reached a lot of unreached Fijians, giving to them services that they would not have been able to access. The legacy that the government of Japan has left behind, including the one that we're here to sign, will live longer than us who are in this room today. And so thank you, Your Excellency. Thank you for your continued support to the women, the children, the elderly, those living with disabilities in Fiji.